Engage your participants and improve your data with Survey Logic. Logic improves the experience by ensuring everyone sees just the right questions and answers. Not sure which to choose? In this video, we'll give you a quick overview. You can learn more about each in the user guide. First up, Question Display Logic. QDL looks like this. When a participant answers a decision question, a follow-up question is either shown or hidden based on their response. For example, only someone who says yes to "Are you a manager?" should be asked about their management level. People who say no should not. To set QDL, hover over a question, choose Logic, and select Question Display Logic. First, identify the follow-up question that'll be shown or hidden based on the answer to the earlier question. Choose the decision question, then the appropriate trigger answers. Once the rule is saved, you'll see this icon as a reminder that QDL has been applied. You can use QDL to show or hide a follow-up question on the same page or later in the survey. In some cases, you might want to show different answer options to different participants. For example, you might have different departments working at each location. To set Answer Display Logic, hover over the question with the complete answer set. Select Logic, then Answer Display Logic. From here, choose the answer options to be shown for each location. Note that you can reuse answers for different locations as needed. Once saved, you'll see the ADL icon here. Answer Display Logic is a great way to improve your data quality. From follow-up questions and answers to follow-up pages, we're switching from display logic to branching. Single question branching sends participants on the right path based on their answer to a specific question. Branching is a page-to-page function, so make sure you have all of your content in place before you set your rules. Hover over the decision question, select Logic, and choose Single Question Branching. Next, set the rules required to make sure that participants follow the right path. In this case, managers should see page 2 and then 3, but everyone else should go straight to page 3. Once the rule is saved, you'll see this icon as a reminder that branching has been applied. While single question branching lets you set an if-then condition based on answers to one question, multi-question branching lets you use multiple conditions to define the path. For example, if someone answers yes to being a manager and says they've worked for the company 10 or more years, you can ask questions targeted to their specific experience. It can be helpful to plan out each possible path with a flowchart, then create the right pages. Once all of your content's in place, click Logic and choose Multi-Question Branching. Roll out your plan by setting the right rules on each page where a decision needs to be made. Then save and preview to test. When multi-question branching is applied, you'll see this icon here. One final option is the IntelliMatrix. This feature multiplies the power of a matrix grid with the power of logic. Here, logic is applied inside of a matrix grid so that the answer to one question determines whether the participant is asked to answer the question in the next column. This saves time and space when you'd like to ask follow-up questions only to relevant groups, like those who attended a specific workshop. Set up an IntelliMatrix by selecting Logic, then Single Question Branching, and define your rules based on answer option columns. So, which type of logic will work best for you? Put your pick to work in your next project, and you'll see more engagement and better data logically.